Hello YouTube, this is kind of a late video. Just got these 3 sets in for my birthday. I was playing with it. Too lazy to build everything back, but the first set I'm gonna review is the Lego police station set. So this Lego police station set is actually I got for my birthday, but I would recommend getting it. It's actually a great starter to your Lego city. I mean, now I've got a police station. I'm only going to be reviewing Lego city sets because they're mainly I just mainly feel like reviewing those ones only. Okay. Well, so just a little nice decorations and everything. There's a nice sirens, everything really great. There's the mini helicopter. See, oh crap, but at the bottom of it, there's no little stud things, so it could just slide around on this. That's kind of a problem sometimes. They're not too big. Sometimes they can get annoying with these though. These little prison doors are so sometimes things could fall apart, but these prison doors are meant to fall off, and then they're just really okay. This one came with this little German Shepherd, but I would think it should come with one like this, like the Fun at the Park set. Also, these wrecking balls things came with it. I don't really put these little chain balls on the guys, really. Just use them for other things. They did overuse the crowbars, though. They really overused them, which kind of got annoying because, there's just a bunch of leftover crowbars. But let me bring these over. Meant to cover the screen, by the way, so don't get any ideas. Actually, wait. You're right. So the first vehicle I'm showing, this is the police. Let's not really get focusing, but this is the police. This won't focus ever. This is the police force. It's just a police motorcycle. It's pretty big and hunky, but it's just really thick for a motorcycle. I took the cuffs off because I was using them and was playing with them, so just put them back on. Wait, now the cuffs are on, but yeah, overall, this is a really cool motorcycle. Well, there is one problem. You can't really herp it because these little things that they want you to have on. I'm probably just gonna take these off, and maybe they're supposed to be little kickstand things, but I'm trying to move these a little bit, but now it's just a little problem that I have. Oh crap, that little antenna thing fell off. But yeah, overall this is a good set. Oh, a good motorcycle. This is the police car. There's of course nobody in it. I don't have a cuss in it. Here, making the video.
Look at this city.
Yeah. I don't know what this is really. Looks like some magnifying glass sort of thing, but I'm pretty sure they have Lego magnifying glasses. I don't know what this is. If you actually watch my videos, tell me in the comments what this is. Okay. This is a nice. This is a really nice police car. The only problem I have is sometimes it won't snap together. It is kind of a little too thick, I think. But I mean, wait a minute. The police man, I mean his hat goes up pretty high, so I guess it's a little understandable. So the doors don't open on this, so that's kind of a little thing that I don't like. But off to the next. This is a pretty cool one. It's the bad guy's truck where he hooks this on and drives away, and then just hooks it onto here, and then it goes, and drives away, and it pulls it right off. The doors off, so the other criminals could get out. Really, Jenna? But these, earlier why I was having problems with the other car, see, this one has doors that open. This one doesn't. So, I mean, this one does have doors that open, the other one doesn't. Pretty cool vehicle, a little tow truck. Maybe he could go along and tow the police. I don't know, but well, that is the helicopter. Yep, this one. Sorry about this non-focusing camera. It doesn't really like the focus. Oh my gosh, that's a really good shot, but it's pretty cool. I got these little boxes. This one has a camera, the other one has a megaphone. Nothing really too exciting. These little booster sort of looking things. But it's not really too interesting. Cheddar! Off to the next set. Oh wait, figures. Cheddar, you seriously have to not cover things. Figure number 1. I guess you really can't call him a figure, but it's the dog. I already showed him off, so let's go next. We have the Popo officer. So that's a good 360-degree view of him. This is a really good figure. I actually enjoy this one the most out of this whole set. I just love this little classic, not really classic. I just love this police hat. It's so cool. So, off to our next figure. This is sorry, got a runny nose today. Day right after my birthday. This guy. Wait, I'll be back. So sorry. I work. Focus. 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 Stupid camera. It won't focus, but his crap. Sorry, here's a 360-degree view of him. It's got nice printing that I want to show.
How did you sleep last night? I slept good. Did you? Oh, Grandpa kept tossing and turning. I was like,
This minifigure head is the same guy as the Lego Movie Trash Truck set.
yeah, Audrey's leaving in about an hour. And
So that's
I have
maybe
to
he
go
switched
take care of
careers.
Toby like 3
Maybe he
times a day
finally
right
went to
now.
college.
I told her, yeah, we'll come down.
Or
in and
not college, I guess a
be
police place where you go to a special place, because I know that, because I know somebody who works there. But yeah, really good figure. I guess Lego really likes this helmet, because I'll be showing it off again in another figure. Really like this police. Now this is my favorite pilot. Look at him. Well, you can't really get a good view because my non-focusing phone. But oh, that's good. That's okay. But his face is really cool. I just like those little shades and everything. He has the same body as everybody else. I like make him pilot the other set, so the other set I have, so off to the next figure. Ew, a bug. Ew, ew. Tries to act like a little seed, huh? I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid. Maybe I gave it a heart attack. Crap. Sorry about that I accidentally left the camera on. But here's the other figure. It's a girl, but not bad or anything, but I mean the head won't move because it's long hair parted on her shoulder, sort of. Wait a minute. But sorry about that. Got the little walkie-talkie. You actually have get the same torso as the other policeman. This is a policewoman this time. So, because I feel like it. Just set review. But yeah, I don't think she has any alternate expressions like most of the figures in this set. The Lego